Cryptocurrencies were created to make the world more decentralized, without the need for banks and even governments to handle economic transactions between individuals. For many, they will not only be the future global economy, but it also means the freedom to handle your money without anyone interfering. But what happens when a symbol of freedom meets a repressive government? Well, that's the story behind China versus Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And unlike what many people think, it didn't just start in 2020. This whole story began in 2013. But before I tell you the whole story, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to watch any new videos. You can also check our gifts and bonuses in the description to invest with the best market conditions. Just take a look there. Now let's go back in time to where it all began. 2013, China declares war on crypto transactions. It was December 5th of 2013 when the People's Bank of China, the Ministry of Industry and Information, and other financial watchdogs jointly issued a notice prohibiting banks from handling transactions related to Bitcoin. More specifically, the ban was imposed because the digital asset was not backed by any nation or central authority. According to the statement released at the time, Bitcoin was deemed a special virtual commodity, and so it lacked the legal backing to function as a currency. Among the main excuses for such an attitude was a potential outlet for laundering cash. However, by that time, individuals weren't forbidden to use the technology and trade bitcoins. It wasn't yet a big threat, but it was a sign of one. 2017, ICOs prohibited. An initial coin offering, aka ICO, is the cryptocurrencies industry equivalent to an initial public offering in the stock market. If there's a company looking to raise money to create a new coin, app, or service, it launches an ICO as a way to raise funds. And China made it illegal in January 2017. In an attempt to keep afloat a weakening yuan and block money from flowing out of China illegally, the country's central bank began to investigate the activities of crypto exchanges. At this point, ICOs were the hottest component of the crypto industry, allowing entrepreneurs and developers to raise funds for their projects by issuing and selling tokens. It was a hard blow to the crypto market, which was trying to advance in one of the largest economies in the world. The People's Bank of China deemed ICOs an illegal fundraising mechanism. It went on to ban ICO platforms from issuing ICO tokens and order monies raised via ICO to be returned to investors. By that time, the major motivation for it was that ICOs supposedly threaten the stability of the country's economy and pose risks of business failure. Noting that crackdowns don't start all at once, they are done little by little, progressively. The most curious thing? The excuse of centralizing institutions and governments is that they are only trying to protect you. But no one is protected when they lose their freedom. The regulators then issued another directive forcing crypto exchanges to shut down voluntarily by September 15th of that same year. The leaked document sent to exchanges revealed that they were expected to wind down their operations and implement processes allowing users to withdraw their funds. To get around this restriction, Chinese crypto traders started to use offshore exchanges or peer-to-peer platforms for all their trading activities. If you're enjoying this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you're an investor and are looking for lower fees and bonuses to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, just check the links in the description. 2019, Bitcoin mining became undesirable. In April 2019, China's National Development and Reform Commission, NDRC, labeled Bitcoin mining as an undesirable industry. It was a suggestion that individuals and companies should not get involved with this. They made a list of sectors that should be encouraged, restricted, or phased out by local governments. And let's just say that Bitcoin mining wasn't appreciated in that list. Then Bitcoin mining fell under the catalog of industries the agency considered to be highly polluting. 2020, the plan is finally put into practice. For the better part of 2020, the Chinese government tightened its grip on crypto exchange activities. It was made by an ongoing campaign to supposedly crack down on money laundering and fraud. In August, the People's Bank of China revealed its intention to block over 100 foreign websites offering crypto exchange services. 2021, China completely bans crypto trading and mining. In May of this year, the State Council doubled down on past crypto policies by calling for the restriction of crypto mining and trading. Before this, the provincial authorities of Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, and Sichuan provinces, which were all major Bitcoin mining hubs, had begun to introduce policies that stifled the operations of Bitcoin miners. Following the statement from the State Council, provincial governments began to take proactive measures to eradicate crypto mining. Now, the main excuse used by regulators was Bitcoin's energy-intensive nature and how it poses a threat to the country's environmental goals. China has in the past been a popular site for mining due to low electricity costs in areas like Inner Mongolia, but the country is currently experiencing an energy crisis and trying to become carbon neutral by 2050, a goal that cryptocurrency is making harder to meet. So let's reflect about it. Yes, Bitcoin causes some environmental issues, but the crypto market itself created the solution for it. Many altcoins projects nowadays have strong concerns about it, being so called as green coins. So if Bitcoin has a problem itself, why should other cryptocurrencies be banned too? I believe you already know the answer. Bitcoin miners were either forced to shut down permanently or move to other crypto-friendly countries. The thing is that around 50% of the world's Bitcoin mining power was generated in China before the crackdown, and the global Bitcoin economy felt the burn of this ban. So the following provisions have been announced. Regulators have deemed all crypto transactions, trading, and investments as illegal, whether executed via local or foreign platforms. This includes all Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether transactions. Chinese nationals who work in marketing or tech support roles for foreign exchanges will now be subject to legal prosecution. And the National Development and Reform Commission has set out plans to completely phase out crypto mining by severing investment in the sector, increasing electricity costs, and blocking new companies from entering the industry. How does this affect the rest of the world? Many people see China's ban of cryptocurrencies as a threat for the rest of the world. They fear government regulations over the crypto market, something that's already happening in the US with SEC trials against Coinbase and Ripple Labs. But the truth is, the government can do very little when it comes to economic and technological advances, especially when it involves an increasing demand by the people. While we see examples such as China, we also observed many others around the world, such as Ukraine legalizing all cryptocurrencies, El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as its official currency. Currency use is on the rise, with 33% of Nigerians either using or owning cryptocurrency, according to a recent survey. According to Bitcoin.com, the Philippine Central Bank has approved several crypto exchanges to operate as remittance and transfer companies in the country, and cryptocurrency has become popular as a cheaper solution to sending money across borders. So there's no real reason to be concerned about bans or crackdowns on cryptocurrencies in other countries. It's really tough for the government's forces to stand against the majority of the people, and in our opinion, the mass adoption is just a matter of time with cryptocurrency. And what about you? What do you really think about the situation? Will China's example become usual, or is the world's trend to do the opposite? Tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on that notification bell if you want to keep getting quality crypto content to help you with your investments. Also, remember to check our links in the description and surprise yourself with amazing gifts and bonuses. We're finished here for now, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video.